Welcome to Evergadget Official. Are you looking the best water heater? This video is for you. Today I'm going to reviewing ATWFS water heater that actually the best in marketplace now. I embedded this product link in this video description that you can check it out. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel to get more reviews. This is ATWFS Water Heater Tap. It can heat water instant on shower and also on tap. Its capacity 45 liters at instant, that's certified by CE. Usually it works the best on 220 volts. This heater has intelligent controlling mode. You can use it easily without any doubt. This tankless water heater has not any tank, so it can make you safe. One great energy efficiency used on this heater as it calls for long time use. So why late? Thank you for watching and please check the descriptions.